For users 5'6" or shorter, we offer the unparalleled comfort of our Vail C30HS operator with its small, posture-perfect hybrid saddle seat that allows better circulation in the lower legs and extra thick backrest for superior lumbar support. Dual lever full tilt adjustment allows the user to find that perfect positioning for hours of sitting, and the short seat pan depth eliminates the tendency to perch on the front edge. The floor to seat height ranges from 16 to 21.5 inches. The Vail C30HS operator has a 23-inch diameter 5-leg base for excellent stability and glides on casters that are suitable for both carpet and hard floor surfaces. Its 19.5 by 13.5-inch seat cushion is made of superior high-resiliency foam enclosed in medical-grade vinyl. Weighing just 31 pounds with a wide choice of adjustment options, the Vail C30HS operator is another great product from the experts in modern seating solutions, Crown Seating.